So the options are to refinance a property. Again, whether it's an investment property or your personal residence, you can do this. You can refinance it, and you can just talk to your lender, or again, we can help you with that. But someone will help you go through the steps so you can figure out what is there for you to use. Then you can borrow that and use it for something else. The payments are only going to be inside your new mortgage. You're refinancing your current mortgage to set up a new one. The other one would be a H.E.L.O.C, a home equity line of credit. Basically there you're taking a loan out against your home, so you would have monthly payments, whether they're pay down or interest only. Those options can all be set up. Again, I am not a mortgage broker. I'm a real estate broker and investor, and we're just talking to you about generalities here. So make sure you speak to a lender, a mortgage broker, someone at your bank about what can be done there. But these are just some concepts here that you should understand, that there is ways to leverage the equity inside an investment property or your primary residence. I have a friend who's been telling me for years now about how much his place is appreciated in value, right? And this is the story that I told my client this afternoon about the same friend for years, right? Hey, my house is worth more. Oh, look at how the real estate market's on. My house is worth so much more now. I only bought it for this. Do you believe what it's worth now? And every time he says this to me, I say the same thing to him. And what are we doing with it? What can we do with it? And the conservative type, and again, I totally get it, and this is a friend of mine, we've had the conversation, he wants it to stay there. He feels protected and his house is growing and it's his retirement fund, etc. But if he had have used just a bit of it before, let's say he borrowed $100,000 from his personal residence on a home equity line of credit, so he paid 3% a year, but he lent it out or invested it and doing something, making 12 or 13% per year, which means he would be profiting somewhere 9 or 10% a year. For easy math, let's say he made 10% a year, borrowing it at 3, lending it out, or getting a return of 13%. That means he would have been making 10% on his money every year by doing nothing different. He didn't move, nothing changed. Just by using that money inside his primary residence, he could have made, if we did it for 6 years, and he was, again, making 10%, right? Because he's paying the interest to take it out of his house, but he's netting a 10% total there, paying 3% and getting back 13, netting 10%. He would have made in 6 years $60,000, right? Like, guys, this is what I'm talking about. There's ways to do different things. There's ways to leverage. It's about being educated and informed so that you understand the different options that are out there to you. But really, we can do so much more with what you already have, and that's how you start small and you build for tomorrow. Thanks so much for your time. I'm Kevin Breitner, broker of the Cressy team with RE/MAX. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Well, you must have liked what you were watching. You made it all the way to the end. Thank you for your time. If you want to follow along with us some more, always subscribe to our channel, as we're always putting out content like this for you to enjoy. Thanks for learning. Bye for now.